Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So, today let's start with our second chapter of geography, which is land, soil, water, natural vegetation, and wildlife. In the starting of the chapter, you will see there is a comparison made between the lifestyle of Mamba and Peter. Mamba lives in a small village in Tanzania, which is in Africa. She used to wake up early in the morning to fetch water. Then she also helped her mother in household work and also she helps her brother in taking care of goats. Her family own a small piece of land which is very rocky. As the land is rocky, her father is not able to grow much crop in that land. On the other hand, Peter lives in New Zealand where his family runs a wool processing factory. After returning from school, he always watched his uncle taking care of the sheep. His family also grow vegetables through organic farming. Now, as we get to know something about the lifestyle of Mamba and Peter, we can say that they both live in different part of the world with very different lifestyle. There is a difference of water, quality of soil, land, technology and natural vegetation. Now land. Land is one of the most important natural resource and it covers about 30% of the total area of the earth, and with this 30% not all the area are habitable. There is an uneven distribution of population in the world due to the different type of land available in every places. As the rugged topography, mountain area, desert areas are less populated as compared to the plains and river because here agriculture is possible. There are various uses of land. Land is used for agriculture, forestry, mining, building roads and buildings, etc. With the help of physical factors, we can determine the use of land. Physical factors, we can say that soil, climate, topography, etc. Human factors also plays an important role in determining the use of land like population and technology. So, on the basis of ownership, we can classify land as private land and community land. Private land are the land which are owned by an individual. Various community land are owned by a group of individuals or for some common use. This land are also called common property resource. As we all know, the amount of land we have is limited, but the demand of the people are ever growing. People started building commercial areas, housing complexes in common land of urban areas. Today, there is a vast change in the land use pattern due to which landslide, soil erosion, desertification and many more major threats to the environment are being taken place. As the growing population and their demand have led to destruction in the forest area and arable land, we need to take some steps to conserve land resource. We can do afforestation, land reclamation, regulate use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, check on overgrazings to conserve land resource. So this was all about land. Now we will study about soil. Soil is nothing but the grainy substance which is covering the surface of the earth. There are many different types of soil as it is made from organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks, and the process of formation of soil is called weathering. Soil take hundreds of years to make just 1 centimeter. The formation of soil depends upon the type of parent rock, climatic condition of an area, time taken, and these are the factors which differ from place to place, and so does the soil differ from place to place. As we already studied that formation of soil takes long time, so depletion of soil and its erosion are major threat. Soil degradation can occur by both human and natural factors like deforestation. While cutting the trees, the roots that hold the soil firmly now no longer hold them, so with water or wind it can easily get eroded. So there are some different methods through which we can conserve the soil, like we can do mulching, counter barriers, building rock dams, by doing that terrace farming, intercropping, etc. Now we'll start with our new topic, which is water. Water is very essential natural resource and 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water only, and we all know that earth is called as blue planet or water planet. Ocean covers 2/3 of the earth's surface and support various variety of aquatic life, but it is not fit for drinking as it is saline. Fresh water is only 2.7%, out of which 70% occurs as ice sheet and in glacier and in mountain region. Only 1% of the fresh water is available, which is found in river, pond, lake, underground and as water vapor in the atmosphere. The volume of water always remains constant, as water can neither be added nor be subtracted. Just the form of water changes, which is done by the process of water cycle. Water is used for various purposes, not only for drinking and washing, but also for production activities, generating electricity through dams, in agriculture, and many more. The demand for water is increasing at a high rate, but people are facing a shortage of fresh water, which is mainly due to drying up of water sources or water pollution. In many places like Africa, Australia, people are facing shortage of water and it may be the consequence of change in seasonal or annual precipitation. Nowadays, people are facing major problem to get the supply of clean water. So, we should take necessary steps to conserve water resource. It has been overused and polluted and many harmful chemicals are just directly released into the river bodies. Rainwater harvesting is a method to conserve rainwater. Proper canals must be built for irrigating field. Sprinkles and drip system is very essential method to conserve water resource. This was all about water resource. Now we'll go into our another topic. We all know that plant provide us with many different products that we use in our day-to-day life. Not only plants but animals also provide us many different products that we use. Biosphere is the zone of contact between lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. And ecosystem is the life supporting system where the living thing along with the non-living thing are interrelated. Vegetation and wildlife are very valuable resource. Plants provide us with timber, give shelter, provide oxygen, give us grain, fruits, vegetables and there are innumerable uses of plants. Wildlife includes animal, birds, insects and aquatic life form. They also provide us many things like milk, meat, wool. Insects like bees provide us honey, help flower in pollination. The birds act as decomposer like vulture, feeds on dead livestock and are considered as vital cleanser of the environment. The distribution of natural vegetation is not same everywhere. The growth depends upon temperature and moisture. In area of heavy rainfall, huge trees and dense forests are there. As the amount of rainfall decreases, the density of tree also decreases. In the region where moderate rainfall occurs, short trees grows. In low rainfall area, thorny shrubs grows. And in less moisture area, thorny and waxy substance with deep root plants are grown. But nowadays people are clearing the large forest area to grow crops, building complexes. So there is an urgent need for conservation of forest. Many species have been endangered and some are going to be extinct soon. Deforestation, soil erosion, construction activity, forest fires, tsunami are some factors which leads to extinction of these resources. Poaching is also one of the major concerns that leads to illegal killing of animals. Government have taken many initiatives like national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves to protect natural vegetation and wildlife. Awareness programs like social forestry and Van Mahotsav should be encouraged. Many countries have passed laws against illegal hunting of animals. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora has been established that lists several species of animals and birds in which trade is prohibited. This was all about this chapter, and If there is any confusion or any doubt, you can just comment below. Thank you. Have a nice day.